Hey, what's up everybody? It's Dave. Welcome to Spectrum DIY. Today, I thought I would do a test. Somebody talked about how nothing beats proper patch cables, faders, and knobs, and they got me thinking, what is proper exactly? I mean, the cables I was using that were quote-unquote proper or not proper are literally all of these. I mean, they're patch cables. So I thought I would do a test today to see if there was anything in particularly special about quote-unquote proper versus the ones that I used. So for starters, let's see if there's any resistance difference in the cables. Alright, so there's 19.2 ohms of resistance in this cable, and this is the quote-unquote proper one. And it's got 16.2 ohms. Oh mercy. That's going to really make a huge difference in synthesis. So, yeah, nothing special there. Now, I went and looked inside of my synthesizer, my proper synthesizer, the one that costs a couple $100, and it uses these alpha pots. I've also got some of these 100K pots that I used on my synthesizer, and then I've also got some 100K faders. So I thought we'd do us a fun little test and find out what's proper. What is proper? Like, these are Japanese made really nice faders. These are the alpha potentiometers that come within my professional synthesizer. And these are some cheap shit potentiometers from eBay. So what's the difference? Let's find out, shall we? So let's slide this off to the side, and we're gonna do sliders, alpha pots, and then we'll do cheap. I'm not gonna spell it out because it's on camera. We'll know that says cheap shit. Now, let's take our leads and test this, shall we? 95.4. Wow. So let's look at these results. Let's see, the biggest range or the widest range are these Japan made Noble sliders, and they have the greatest range. They feel the best, but they are limited to a straight line. There's no real difference. I don't know if anybody knew this or not, but potentiometers come in two forms. You got a knob and a slider. These come in, so this would be first place. That has the greatest range. And judging by this, I would say that the cheap shit comes in second place and Alpha Pot's in third. So if you ever wanted to know, this is a professional potentiometer that comes in a $500 synthesizer. These are like $10 for 5 of these, and these are cheap shit, $1 each. So if you ever wanted to know what the resistance range is on them, I would say that if you can use a slider, that's the best one to go. As to paying $1.50 versus like 50 cents, I would rather pay 50 cents, because look at this. Just, you're not gaining anything by spending twice as much money on these. So we can put that down to rest, that no, in fact, there is no proper fader or proper slider. These are actually, I would say that this one wins in terms of cheap, reliable, it works. So yeah, that's why I continue to use these instead of these. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Appreciate you stopping by. I look forward to seeing you guys in part 3 of the VCO. So until next time.